Good morning, everybody. Welcome to, I guess, day 2 here on board the cruise ship. It's our first sea day. Got Tiffany out of bed here already. She's ready for some coffee. So we're heading here up to deck number 10. Get some coffee first thing this morning. Get this day started. See what kind of fun and adventure we can have here today. So let's get going. Pool deck is nice and quiet out here this morning. There's a few people moving around.
You're not the only early bird today, I guess.
No, not the only early bird today. Alright, this is one of the drink stations here in the Lido marketplace. In the mornings they have orange juice, orange passion, apple juice, and some iced tea, of course some water. And then they have their coffee. Got a really beautiful sunrise this morning here on board the Carnival Vista. You see the waves are kicking it just a little bit this morning. But this here is the view from our balcony. And that right there is a proper way to wake up in the morning. To that beautiful sight right there. Got some Tiffany sitting out on the balcony already this morning. She's had her coffee. Now we're just waiting to go have some breakfast. Sea day brunch. Alright, so we opted for sea day brunch this morning. So we're going to go back to deck 3 aft at the Horizons restaurant and have ourselves some sea day brunch. It's one of Tiffany's favorite things, is sea day brunch. She just loves it. Hopefully there's not too much wind out here this morning, but let's go eat some breakfast. You ready to go eat?
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right, the absolute slowest revolving door I've ever seen. You ready, baby?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, so I got some omelets, some bacon, potatoes, and toast. And Tiffany over there, she's got some fried eggs, hash browns. So you got, baby, fried eggs and hash
I
browns?
thought it came with bacon. I don't think I should have asked for it.
Yeah, I'll share my bacon with you. How about that? All right, so we had breakfast, and yep, we decided to be bad. Or Tiffany decided to be bad, because look, she's got chocolate cake over there with ice cream. Now me, I went with a healthier choice, because I'm smart and I'm health conscious. Yeah, so I went with, don't laugh, I went with bananas and butterscotch ice cream. That's healthier, right? That doesn't count?
No.
But there's bananas in it.
Doesn't matter.
No?
Doesn't matter.
All right, yep, so we are having dessert with our brunch.
Want to know, but don't have the confidence to do it. I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to give you that confidence, and at the next deck party, you're going to be the main dancer right there on the dance floor. This is for absolutely everybody. So once again, play that song, DJ. One more time all together. We go to the right, 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 right. We go to the left, left, left. There we go, and then we kick, 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 and then you walk to face the other side. Just like that. It's how for the Cupid Shuffle. Let's go. Going to the right, left, kick 4 times, walking around, to the right. Let's go. Roll forward, roll back, just check, roll forward, roll back. Let's go from the beginning. We go to the right, we go to the left. That's right, and then we come back, yes, shake your head. We roll forward, back, perfect. From here, you're gonna shake to face the other side. And when I say shake, I want you to shake it until you break it. We're gonna shake to the other side. That's like, perfect. Okay. From the beginning, 3, 2, 1. We go to the right. We go to the left. That's right. And then we come bangs. Come up in. Bangs. You roll forward, back, and then you shake it. A little swifty movement here today. Hands up, back. Shake it off to the right, left, count it, roll, shake it to the right, count it, roll. How are we doing so far? Feeling confident?
Ladies and gentlemen, Carnival family, we have a very special treat for you right here, right now. We got the man, the myth, the legend. His name, coming to you all the way from the Philippines, is Roy. Roy here is a master ice carver. But today is a very special treat, because not only is he going to create a beautiful work of art right here in front of our eyes, but he's going to attempt to break a world record. That's right. Roy will create his ice carving, trying to beat that world record time of 17 minutes and 48 seconds right here today. Now, we need to count Roy down. We need to count Roy down. So let's count him out. 10, 9, 8. He's off. All right, Roy is off to a quick start, but those ice chips are flying. They're making one of these ice carvings. It takes a carver anywhere from 18 to 24 hours to create. They would do it in a temperature-controlled room. But right here, he's trying to break the world record out here against the hot, hot sun. That's how much of a master he is.
We make it hot, and you want us to break this. Shake blades on a fade, slice like a ninja, cut like a razor, so fast. Other DJs say damn, I'm a drug, I feel it by the gram. Keep my eyes on when it's time to get loose, like the tide of the mic while I kick my shoes. If it was a problem, I'll solve it. Check out the look while DJ revolves it.
Now you might be wondering, how did Roy get so good at carving ice? Well, he actually comes from a very, very long family line of tree carvers. That's right, his great-great-great-great-grandmother started the tradition.
Let's get out of here.
She would knock over trees with her bare hands and carve them out there in the forest. But at a very young age, Roy said that wasn't challenging enough for him. So he switched over to ice. In his spare time, just for fun, he'll get a little ice cube from the vending machine, and he'll create a beautiful work of art with just a toothpick. Gear on. Those heavy yellow gloves, that heavy blue apron, and those knee-high black boots. You might think that's his ice carving uniform, but no, Roy is actually really fashion forward. That's his style. $15,000. That's right. So I'm taking bids right now. Anybody going once? 15,000. Going twice? $1. $1. All right. Just gotta fit it in your suitcase. Going for a world record today. He's got that focus, that dedication. He's got the eye of the tiger.